Welcome to this Mibio Minute. Here we're taking a look at searching. How many recalls had Stryker had on its hips? And then we have three options here, it looks like. Then I asked for the links, but I don't actually see clickable links. So then I asked for the direct links here at the bottom. So we have rejuvenate, lift, and accolade. So I'm going to copy the first one. Open the new window. Okay, this is blank, but I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. The second link. Okay, this one's also blank. So let's go to the last link that was given to me. Okay, looks like we have information here. So I'm going to look for accolade. I don't see, make sure I spell things correctly. I'm going to do hip instead. I don't see hip. This says imaging processing software though, but it's Nordic Neurolab. It doesn't seem to be the right link from what I can tell. Also 2014, okay. So that was 2014, that one says 2017. So I'm gonna actually go back now and try. Okay, I'm gonna go to the IQ, our recall database, connecting. Then once things are loaded, I'm gonna type in the manufacturer, Stryker, and get 28 variances of their name. I'll try for rejuvenate. Okay, it's not showing up there, and maybe it's not on a device. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go to what I'm gonna go to reason. I'm gonna go to reason. Okay, so it looks like I have here a 23,000 unit and a 9,000 unit. And then I'm going to click on this. I see Stryker, rejuvenate, and there's two, so it could be one the 23 or the 9,000. And then looks like there we go. So hope this helps, and until next time, keep advancing.